Hi viewers, welcome to Ganisk YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create plate in Tekla Old version, just like this. Okay, let's start. To open Tekla structures, double click on this icon on your desktop. Environment, select US Imperial and role steel detailing and configuration steel detailing. Then click on OK. Next, click on new model. Let's take model name new model 4 template steel detailing and model type single user. Then click on OK. Now select 3D view, then click on this arrow and close this window and click on here and drag it and maximize here. Now we're going to create views, so click on grid, right click on mouse, create views along grid lines, then click on create, then click on OK and click on OK. To open view list, then click on here view and click on here view list. Now let's take plan at 10 feet, then click on here and close it. Now we're going to create a plate, so you need to click on this icon, create contour plate, click on here and you can see in command bar it's asking pick the corner points of plate. You can pick the corner points, for example pick the first point and second point and third point and fourth point, and pick the initial point where you start to finish the plate like this. Now right click on mouse, interrupt, click on window and select this 3D view. You can see now we have plate like this. Use the shortcut Control R and pick the point. You can rotate like this. Okay. Use the shortcut Control 4 for render view for this plate like this. Okay. Now go to the window and select the planet elevation 10 feet. Now we're going to create plate with the specific length. So select this plate and pick the point here and just don't click on it, just give the direction and enter here. Let's take 5 feet, then click on enter and give in this direction. This line should be perpendicular, so use the shortcut O. You can see you'll get exactly perpendicular direction. Now enter value, let's take 3 feet, then click on enter. Now give direction in this side, click on here. Now pick the initial point to complete the plate like this. Right click on mouse, interrupt. You can see now we have the plate with the dimension 5 feet and 3 feet. If you want to change the color of this plate, then double click on it. You can see by default we have class 14. Let's take class 2, then click on modify. You can see now we have plate like this. Now close this window. For render view, use the shortcut Control 4. For wireframe, use the shortcut Control 1. On shaded view, use the shortcut Control 2. For render view, use the shortcut Control 4 like this. Okay, if you want to create a triangle plate, then select this plate and pick the first point at here and give the direction. Let's take 4 feet, enter 4 feet on your keyboard, then click on enter and give the direction like this. Now let's take the height 6 feet, then click on enter, then click on here to create triangle like this. Right click on mouse, interrupt. You can create plate with random pick points, then select this plate and pick the first point at here and pick the second point. And if you want to click on here, you can click on here like this randomly. If you are not able to pick the position, you need to activate this option. You can see snap to any position, just click on here and you can pick random points on background like this. Once completed, then you can pick the initial position to create the plate like this. For example, if you want to start in background the plate, then pick the first point and second point and third, fourth, fifth, sixth like this. And then if you want to pick the initial position, if you are not able to see the initial position, you can press the scroll button to finish the plate like this. Then right click on mouse, interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, DW like this. Okay, double click on this plate. Now we're going to change the color. Let's take class 7, then click on modify, apply, okay like this. Okay, now click on this window and select this 3D view. To change plate thickness, double click on this plate. You can see by default we have the under profile 3/8 thickness of this plate. For example, if you want to change this plate, for example ½ inch, then click on modify to see the result here. You can see now this plate thickness should be half inch. Okay, let's take 1 inch thickness, then click on modify. You can see now this plate thickness should be 1 inch. Okay, that's it. How to change the plate thickness for this profile? You can see you can change the plate thickness for any profile. For example, we're going to change this plate profile thickness. Okay, let's take here 1 inch, then click on modify. You can see now this plate thickness should be 1 inch. Okay, then click on apply. Okay, you can see now I have the plates like this. Okay, that's it about how to create contour plates in Tekla Old version. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please go to my channel, youtube.com/ganisk. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when uploading new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.